Let's create path on our 3D map. We have schematic Google Map. We can use it for place our path. I will use special resource for build and export GPX track. You can use something else. Find your location. Let's build it. Click on a new GPX button and build your path. Just create intermediate points and path will be created automatically. Now press export button and download this track. Name it and save to your drive. For better placement of the track you can use schematic map from Google Maps. Now place this map to special composition. Press import button into Terrain Builder script. If your spline have more than 500 point script show up warning message. Press yes button and special resource will be automatic opened. Upload your GPX file. You will see two paths. Red is your GPX data, blue is optimized path. OK. Just drag bottom slider and watch how blue path will be changed. Great. Now download this GPX file on your drive. Now load optimized GPX file in After Effects through Terrain Builder script. Path shape and point will be created. But they have wrong place. Let's fix it. Open this path shape effects and use 3 last effects. Find starting point and align shape. Now scale shape for individual axis. Align shape to ending point. Cool. Now we have perfect shape with 10 point. You can change speed and some shape properties. Let's see how it looks in 3D map. Now we changed 10 point to special icon from our free library. OK. All works perfectly. You can add new GPX track and A-shape path to create really complex project. Thanks for watching and good luck.